bunny crown. Thunder roars and lightning gleams. Mitu shivers with worried dreams. Where did all my friends go now? Mitu wonders, furrowing brow. Grabs an umbrella, runs outside. Dancing with the rain, no place to hide. Come on, cow, back to the shed. Catch a cold and you'll be in bed. Wet little chickens flap and cry. Come inside, says Mitu with a sigh. Ducks leave the pond, waddle in line. Huddle together, feeling just fine. Under Mitu's umbrella, they squeeze, laughing loud with joyful ease. A tiny kitten yells in fear, hides in Mitu's arms so near. Don't worry, buddy, Mitu says with a gentle smile and loving gaze. Goats and sheep come running too, following Mitu, one big crew. Everyone's safe, dry and warm, sheltered from the rainy storm. Ducks leave the pond, waddle in line. Huddle together, feeling just fine. Under Mitu's umbrella, they squeeze, laughing loud with joyful ease. They wipe the water, shake and play. Mitu's friends are happy today. Food is served in bowls so neat, full little tummies, what a treat. Rain still falls, but inside home, Mitu and friends drift into dreams so calm. Once under one umbrella tied, now one house, one heart, good night. Come on, cow, back to the shed. Catch a cold and you'll be in bed. Wet little chickens flap and cry. Come inside, says Mitu with a sigh. Ducks leave the pond, waddle in line. Huddle together, feeling just fine. Under Mitu's umbrella, they squeeze,